Are you buying a home that has been previously remodeled? So we call it a flipped house, where an investor, which in this market right now, lots of investors are buying homes, rehabbing them, and then they sell them to the consumer. So that's what we're talking about. I've got an inspector here. I've known you over a quarter of a century.
Yes.
And this guy knows what he's talking about. So Gordon Fox of Fox Inspections, tell us what buyers should look for if they're buying a home that's being flipped by an investor.
Certainly. So a flipped is someone just recently fixed it, bought it from somebody, probably was deferred maintenance, and they fixed it up. And it looks beautiful. New cabinets, new everything is just gorgeous, right? And so the investor is focused on his ROI, return on investment. They will try to put the minimum amount of money in and get the maximum return on it. And you walk in, it looks beautiful, and to your eyes, untrained eyes, it is the dream house. However, because the investor generally short changes, doesn't invest in, he's using the least.
The minimum.
The minimum, yes,
The
thank
bare
you.
minimum, yeah.
I'm trying to search words to be diplomatically.
To
yes.
increase profit, you know, and it's a business decision. They're going to use whatever they can to just make it look pretty, put some lipstick on it.
Lipstick on
Right? On a house.
on a pig. Yeah. and so many times, if the AC needs to be replaced, sometimes they don't do it. Expensive repairs, they generally don't want to do that. Older roofs, bad foundations, that type of thing. And so they'll make it look cosmetically beautiful, but maybe ignore some of the more expensive items to fix.
Which are what? AC?
AC,
Okay.
heater and AC, old galvanized drain line, water lines, cast iron drain lines,
Plumbing? Okay.
electrical, that kind of thing.
Okay.
And then they generally don't pull permits. And permits are a way for the city to ensure that it's been done right. And so
How can you find out if a house has permits pulled or not?
you can go up to the city, and if it's been recently remodeled, you can contact the permit department and
okay.
see if any permits have been pulled.
Do you think this, like I mean, we're in Texas, but do you think in other states or cities it might work the same way? You don't know?
In Texas, same way.
Okay.
In Houston, most flippers do not pull permits.
Okay.
It just
so
slows
you
them
want
down.
so the permits you want to make sure were pulled. If it was a big major, if it's just some cosmetic things, they probably didn't need to pull a permit,
Correct,
right?
you're
But
not
if it was electrical or the plumbing, those things require permits. So get a list of all the things that were done, I'm assuming, on the house. Make sure permits were pulled if it was things like electrical, cutting walls down, like a major remodel. And make sure that you have the inspector check AC, plumbing,
Yes.
foundation.
Foundation.
Okay, cool. Anything else we need to know?
They won't be there if something comes up. Any issues that come up, they're gone.
After the fact, you mean?
After the fact,
Yeah.
they're gone. Their money and they're gone.
Yeah, you're buying as is.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. So having a good inspector is really key. You know, spending the money on all the different types of inspections. There's, let's see, a mechanical inspection, there's a foundation,
Structural.
there's a structural, there's the air thing that you do, like air quality, right? Mold.
Air quality, mold. There's a lot of inspections. They can just
Okay.
call my office and we can
Yeah.
run you through what you need.
Fox Inspection Group. All right, guys, thank you. Good luck on your home purchase. If you're in Texas and need a loan, call me. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.